After a devastating earthquake struck Indonesia, the United States Air Force deployed C-130 airplanes to support the United States Agency for International Development. They set up emergency logistics hubs and flew displaced families to safety. Simultaneously, United States Agency for International Development teams worked with local and partner militaries to build pallets of critical relief supplies for communities in devastated areas. To see next.